30 जन हिस्सा कर लेंगे। पैसा ही पैसा होगा।
So today I'm very excited to share this video with you because I'm going to share those tried and tested viral hacks that have worked for me. Most people think when they are shopping on Amazon, they're getting a deal, but actually they are paying the highest price. So today I'm going to share these 3 Amazon hacks that can literally save you thousands of rupees. And I bet year after you're never ever going to shop on Amazon the normal way. In this video, I'll show you 2 hacks that help you unlock 80 to 90% of discounts. And stay till the end because I'll reveal a secret price tracker that automatically notifies you the moment the prices drop. No refreshing, no guessing, just smart shopping that saves real money. And if you're loving these hacks, like, share, and subscribe and hit the bell icon. So let's get started with the first hack for the day. Go onto your Amazon application and type PCT 80 to 90. Once you type this, you can actually find all of the products which are listed here with a huge amount of discount, with nearly 80 to even 95% of a discount, and you can simply go ahead and add them to your cart before these deals actually vanish. And here's the second hack for Amazon. The next hack is simply go on the Amazon app and type clearance sale today, and that's where you can find all of the products that Amazon is literally trying to clear from its warehouse. So you can find those products and add to your cart and simply go ahead and complete the purchase. A lot of these deals would be gone fast, and that's the reason those overstocked items or return items and seasonal products are dumped at insane prices out here. So you can go ahead and find the products of your liking.
सारा कैश यारा करूं कहाँ spend करोड़ों पे करोड़ होते नहीं end.
This is the third and the last hack for the day, and if you shop on Amazon without knowing this tool, you're probably overpaying. This extension is a secret weapon that smart shoppers use. It shows the full price history of any product, so you instantly know is this a real discount or a fake hype. It tells you the lowest prices ever, when prices usually drop, and if Amazon is about to run a clearance sale. To which extension is this? Comment extension and I will share with you the name of the tool. You can even set price alert, and this extension notifies you the moment the price crashes. This is how people catch 70, 80, and even 90% off deals without refreshing Amazon all day. So comment extension and share this video to yourself. Your wallet will thank you later. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AI Digital Tools, and do press the bell icon to get notified about the new videos that we share.